Angan papa.
Yes, angang papa.
Yay!
Wow! Blessings to you all.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Aji to khiti jawle ase, and then mula khiti ke mula morong khan onok morong khan kam gole ase aji, and then gahri bhi cholai ase moi. तो हई गाहरी ला पार्ट तो सब दिखावर ना पारे केले वीडियो दे वार्निंग आए थे कि ताहन कंप्लेन दी थे कि दुखुन खान ओलाबो ना और गाहरी खान मराबा तो आई डिडंट मेक दैट वीडियो खाली मंगसुई देखाबो एंड देन माइक स्टिल আছে बुस्ती दे माइक भी जवले আছে तो सब माने जाय खतम होइसे पानी गिराबा मुजुन रुखि थाकाय আছে पानी गिरा किता रुखिबो मुजुन भी जा আছে सो व्हाट्स द वीडियो टिल द एंड गाइस तो जा আছে पानी गिरा तो रुखिसे हले भी पूरा क्लाउडी আছে. Hopefully it will be a good day. Let's hope. So what was your dream?
Oh, yes, I had a dream, or actually it was like a legit nightmare. That I shot 2 people with my gun in not here in Nagaland, but in Netherlands. And then the police, they were chasing after me because they had seen on video camera that it was me that shot 2 people. And then I woke up and my heartbeat was so fast. I couldn't sleep for 30 minutes because I was so full of adrenaline.
Do you believe in dream?
Like that they have meaning?
Yes. something like that.
Sometimes maybe, but not always. I think now just because I don't know, because there's a lot of guns here that I had this dream.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. What do you think my dream means?
I don't know.
We can ask ChatGPT maybe.
No, we can ask moms.
They know about dreams?
Yeah, I always ask my mom about the dreams. तो होय जाजे कौन जा मरंग मनन सब जाय जैसे खरखान भी सब जाय जैसे तो पानी गिरी जगह वाला रुखा ला से. I'm so tired.
Tired? From?
Walking?
Walking, okay. I thought mentally tired.
No.
Just physically tired.
Physically tired.
Yeah, it's also hot. Humid.
So पानी गिरा हुआ रास्ता भी भी है किसी को खत्म. All good.
All good.
Let's hope it will change. इतना तक तो कोई भी नहीं दिखी. दूर दूर तक कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
Very cloudy today. But we're not made of sugar. Or bamboo baskets, or how do you say it again?
Bamboo, like like in bamboo we used to carry the water.
Yeah.
That we call it tali. You'll fall down now.
Huh?
You'll fall down. No?
Every time when I almost fall down, you don't film it.
Mola khiti bungji se. Beauty bane dikhai ase. Mike aru mola morong manan bhi aaya ase. Are you okay?
Yes.
You didn't fall down, right?
I didn't.
Okay.
No.
Let's go. We have reached.
Are we here?
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
This is mola khiti. This is. Karashi bhi banai lise. Mane pisi hole hoba. Pani ke liye na hona. Oi garibo. Uish. Yeah. तो मरंग मनन सब आना है. The family can is my family, all my sister-in-laws. Pork bana है. Pork ला diksi से दी दबी. ये खुद है. माथा से दो. Longan सब आई जैसे, and then काम दे जान भी है, half काम दे जैसे, still half जाना है. तो किसी दे first cucumber लाइन है, तो मुला गेस्ट ने pluck कर ले दिवा. This is the first cucumber.
The first?
Yeah, the first from the farm. So we're gonna let you pluck, so that we'll have more blessings.
Okay, I hope I give you guys more blessings.
Yeah, we believe that if a guys pluck the new things, we'll have a lot of blessings.
I hope so. And
Let's
then
see.
yesterday I also had cucumber. It also came from here?
No, it's from my brothers, my sister-in-law, another brother farm.
Ah, yeah. So this is really the first cucumber.
Yes.
I feel so special.
Kita cucumber plug kule ase. Can you see? It's here. Oh, bisyo line ase dita tinda.
Oh, this one. Ah, yeah.
Yeah. The last one, this one you can plug. This one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. You know how to plug, right?
Just tear it off?
Yes. Yay.
Wow. Blessings to you all.
Thank you.
Are we gonna eat it now or no?
You can eat it
Later,
for you.
Later.
Yeah. Be careful. There's a chili.
Where can I put it?
Oh, you want to eat it now or you
No,
can?
like later.
Okay, you can just keep it anywhere you want, but keep it in your bag. Otherwise, my Hmong people will eat it.
They can. I'm happy to share.
Yeah, you can keep it in your bag.
Okay, I will.
Cucumber char out lena paise. Idu niche la idu ekta, aur idu wala ekta, aur idu ekta. To ekta plug koi dise mic pa.
Can you see them in your video?
Yes, is there? There are three.
Yeah.
There was a 4 cucumber. You plug one, and then there are 3 more.
3 left.
Yeah.
They actually taste very different than the cucumbers we have in Netherlands.
This is the best.
Yeah.
It's organic.
The ones we buy in supermarket, they just taste like water. They don't have any taste. So these are better.
Yeah. This corn, mokai bhi hola ase.
But now it's not corn season.
It will be very soon. Go. Hati chute mane or busy ho jaise. Yeah, I thought that I will look so smart and all.
No, you don't. You look like 13-year-olds.
Okay. So kam gule jaase. Morong kam gule jaase. Moi de bui de kine phal na ho. So try grow moi bi. Let's go.
Let's go.
So moi bi morong khan late kam gule jaase. Morong khan late kam de join gule. Aro might be try go se. You want to try, right? I said I'm going to join my Morong people
Yes.
for work, and then you also wanted to try like the, I don't know how to say.
They're, yeah.
Where's the tool?
I thought you brought it.
No, I thought you brought it. Kam gola saman to power diye.
How do you call this tool?
Gunghun.
Gung
Gunghun.
Gung.
Gung
Gung
hun.
Hun.
Yeah.
Gunghun.
Yeah. Maika?
Maika means plastic in Konyak.
Yes, it's in Konyak.
Yes, but Maiki means girl in Konyak.
Yeah, Maiki means girl in Nagamis.
Oh, in Nagamis.
Yes.
And in Konyak it means nothing?
Maiki, it means nothing in Konyak.
Okay. So here I just say my name is Maiki instead of Maika because I don't want to be plastic. I want to be a girl.
That makes sense. So kam gule jao.
People.
There's a manu bisi sa jida. Do not step on the rice.
What is the rice? This long thing?
Yeah, the long one is rice.
Okay.
Awaga the gung John Besanuko. Yeah, he's doing it.
Okay. Okay, so first I have to...
No, that's the rice. Pluck only the grass. The long one is rice.
Okay, first I pluck and then I do this.
Yes.
Ache, hepule bukannya nak lapa. Ini tu tong. Nunggu ini tu tong. Siapa tu tong?
Is this also wheat?
No.
What is it?
It's a grass. You can plug it.
Yeah.
The cloud subject is view over Hibali data. You know him, right?
Yes, father of Angang.
Angan papa.
Yes, Angang Papa. Your son is very funny. Funny guy. He says he's the funniest guy from the village.
Anh một trong cái này. Không thể là. Cả minh kinh.
Cái pork cái gì đó. Gạo rồi làm sao? Are you enjoying the work?
Yes, it's good.
Enjoy with Angan's father. He's also funny.
He's funny. It runs in the family, I think.
Yeah. Mula sister lokan pani de china hai se. Ti henu wa ti rong ko. Dada khone bhat khawle time. Kam bhi khatam hone. Kam khatam ho je bhat khawle ase. Idu halla upor phale khatam kor lagi bhat na kha ge de. Morning na weather hian hoine der sunlight mari ase. To ta hande cold drinks khela ase. Why are you not working?
No, because I get sunburn
Sunburn.
if I work in the field. I worked for like 1 hour almost.
1 hour?
Yes?
Seriously.
Can you see all the dirt on me? It's from all the hard work I did.
You said that you can do anything, whatever the Nagas people do. And then now you're just sitting here like inside the tent.
What can I say?
You have to walk.
I was afraid to pull out your rice.
That makes sense.
Yeah, I don't want to ruin your field, you know?
Yeah, you better stay here instead of pulling out my rice.
Yes. Why are you not working? Why
Me,
are you making video?
I just came back from work now.
You
Just
came back.
like
How
two
long?
2 seconds ago.
How long did you work?
I worked for like 2.5 hours.
Really?
Yep. Chuha, dangwala chuha turise. To morong monon bhat khawle khurena ase, hat thola ase. Bhat kan olai dina ase de. Someone in Dubai thakibo. Idu maikibi kam nukra maikibi.
What about me?
You're good person.
Yeah.
That's what I
Hard
said.
worker.
Yeah. You are. Ani ka buga ya. Ka dai buga ya min chu bu chu hang ko lek tu ku ni ai kha chbe ono khom phai on jong khom phai la. Aga ai ba man ma ku ni ai ko be elong le ai am kal ga khok le rang la ba ning mai tu da la ka chu. Aya ni ai bu chu na cha hang ko. Ni ai ban pak la. Ono khom ta ka hai la cha he nyam ka. Chả thấy họ gắn mốc tây bông mà cái cá trái cũng phải là gúng cô tây bông tây thì năng là gang không ngồi là gúng cô vẫn hàng cô rằng là bỏ lý cho xăm rằng là lồng gang ngầm cả chả tất cả bao man là anh ăn bạc cổ tôi gali mong mấy bạc cả cả tâm cô. Today's is rich in cucumber and then egg, a lot of vegetables.
Oh, these are for me? The eggs?
Yes.
A lot of eggs.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I can finish them all.
It's okay. You can leave it.
Yeah,
You can try.
someone will eat.
Enjoy your lunch.
And then this is the cucumber I just
Yeah,
plucked.
that's the cucumber. That I pluck la cucumber as I do.
It's
The
very
the first cucumber from my farm.
special
So
one.
hopefully I will get a lot of blessing.
I hope so.
Yeah,
You
that's
deserve
what we believe.
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I hope it's true. Okay, enjoy your lunch.
You too.
And there was a lot of speeches.
Yeah. Alam mula mangsu. So mangsu bisi khali se chogle bi. Aji morning bi. Alap khawa. Bhat khali se. Tam bhal ba khali se. How was your lunch, ma'am?
Oh, it was so good. But I eat too much, so I'm a bit
too
full
much?
now. Yeah, it was good. Did you like it?
Yeah, I love it. That's nice lunch.
Now some black tea,
Yeah, black tea is must
because you cannot finish lunch
without black tea. Especially in Konyak. Morong manon aro kam de lagi jese. Love a few minutes se man join group.
Nice look.
Because I didn't brought my cap.
You didn't bring it or you lost it?
I lost it, but then I'll find it.
Hopefully.
I'm a very positive thinker, you know. I'll find it, that's for sure.
Good.
I'm not like small kids.
You want me to shoot this video or no?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
I'm not saying that you're a small kids.
Oh, okay. Good.
I'm just saying like that.
Okay, go to work now.
Look, is it okay?
You look a bit like the six of Punjab.
Six. Oh, okay. Balle balle.
That's Punjabi?
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean?
I don't know. That's what this is.
How's the work going? Work harder. It needs to be finished today.
Work harder and then work well.
Work hard, play hard.
Then only you will get a plate of rice.
Yes.
You'll get a food.
Fruit? Food.
Food.
Oh,
For your family and for yourself.
wise words from a wise man.
You think I'm a wise man?
No, I'm just saying for the video.
I think I'm a wise man.
Okay, tell something wise.
Comparing to you.
Oh no. But I'm more humble compared to you.
Humble is something different.
Yes, it's very different.
Yeah.
But I would rather be humble than wise.
I would rather be kind than humble.
Okay, sure. Don't pluck out the rice, huh?
No, I don't. Only Europeans did that.
Oh no, I didn't.
Mike tala amala te kata guri ase race guri na. Ni giri ase to morong manon bi sab khura ase. Tek pani giri ase. Last part ase mula morong kam gura. Bisi kam guri dan. Pani giri se a half day de opai nai. Ahoy, brother! How was your day, Mike?
It was so nice. No, it was good to see like the entire community working together on the field. I think a lot of work has been done today.
Yeah, almost like I would say 80%.
80%.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot. And then the food was good. The fire was nice. So it was a good day.
So, morong manon jai khatam hoise. It was a rainy day. Morning day rainy daise and then cloudy daise. Alop diri gani sunlight olaise. And then we were very happy. So aro achanak majode ki kobo pani girise to eman bhal din thaka nai. But still then mola morong khan tahna best koise. And then khiti bi like almost I would say 70% to khiti kuri dise. 70 or 80% khiti kuri dise. And yeah, I'm happy. And then the work went very well today. Yeah, I think I'll see you guys in the next video with our Mikey in the jungle, spending night in the jungle. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll be back soon with a new video.